built on the solid rocket boosters on those big white rockets. So when the engine's light, it actually pushes that whole stack over, and the nose actually pushes over about 6 feet. And then when it swings back to vertical, that's when the solid rocket boosters light.
What is it? Cap off?
Where's that guy?
What is that guy doing?
T-minus 2 minutes and counting.
Under his face. Minutes and counting.
2 minutes and counting!
Liquid hydrogen replenish on the external tank is now being terminated.
Here it goes.
Liquid hydrogen is being terminated.
Yeah. Space.
Who's that?
Who's that guy?
All systems are go. We're about 90 seconds from launch of Space Shuttle Endeavour.
Space sound different.
Deborah.
Dimba. Well, I found dinosaur.
You found a dinosaur.
Dinosaur. I can beat you with space shuttle.
You're gonna beat me with the space shuttle. I love the space shuttle.
You love it right there. You love it right there?
I love it right there.
I'll get it.
Where are you going?